it's over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Hey y'all, so yeah, I just unboxed all of these Arabian fragrances, and I did a mini review on them, unboxed them, talked about them, rate them. So I'm about to put them on the shelf, and I just wanted to show you guys where I'm going to put them. I color coordinate almost everything, anything that has to do with my clothes, shoes, bags, perfume. Everything is always technically color coordinated. So yeah, I've got 2 goldish ones, an orange one, which is new because I don't really have anything in the orange family up here, but I think I'm gonna stick it up here with the yellow. I've got pink, so obviously, and then I've got this other type of color. Yeah, we're just gonna put them on the shelf. So here we go, let's watch me work. All right, y'all, so that is that. You guys, I got a PR package from Shea Moisture. I got a PR package. Y'all, this is my year of officially becoming the influencer of my dreams. So I got a PR package from Shea Moisture. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So we gotta unbox this package from Shea. Let's talk about it. What's up in here? Right, living in my rich melanin and protecting it too. The new Shea Moisture deodorant. So you guys, Shea Moisture, you know, the one that we know for hair care, shampoo, deep condition, deep treatment mask. They have officially launched their new deodorant. So this is the melanin deodorant for my melanated queens, you know, all my black girls, any girl that needs something for their melanated skin. This is for you. So it says living in my rich melanin and protecting it too. As you can see, we've got new deodorant from Shea Moisture. So it says get the protection that rich melanin skin deserves. Our skin deserves. Meet Shea Moisture's first ever antiperspirant deodorant range. Shea Deo for us. Shea Moisture is excited to bring you a new nourishing antiperspirant deodorant made with fair trade shea butter, crafted just for you. We can't wait for you to discover the new elevated deodorant you will be experiencing as you put on the new Shea Moisture deodorant and to the test. Don't forget to tag us at Shea Moisture at Shea Moisture Gifted. My very first, well, not my very first, but a PR package. Y'all know this is big for me because yeah. So they gifted me 2 new deodorants. And here they are. Ooh, the bottle is cute. It's so pretty. I love that classic Shea Moisture, you know, color. All right, so we've got 2. Let me show you guys. We've got coconut and hibiscus fresh, and then we have vitamin C and niacinamide even tone. So we've literally got 2 new perfumes. You see that? 2 new fragrances from Shea Moisture, and I'm super excited because I do need some new deodorant. I've been using another brand, Spray On, and I'm not a spray on type of girl. Spray On is convenient, but I'm gonna go back to my typical rolling on. So definitely check out Shea Moisture deodorants if you're looking for a new deodorant, especially for us melanated queens. Definitely check this out. I'm gonna leave all the links down below so you can get you a new deodorant.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm thinking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no big kill my vibe. light, cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
What's up, vlog? So we are vending today with Blessed Boulevard. I'll be setting up my BerryFae beauty stuff, and I'm selling my products just in time for Valentine's Day. Let's get set up.
If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your candle light, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to try. I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. Baby, at last till my body's so the greatest thing. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I.
Playing in these streets more than sex with me. But that's your chicken while she takes on me. You call her Stephanie? I call her Stephanie.
I know that's right, big bang.
lemon juice, and you're going to pour a shot and a half of the, so you're going to use the tall side of your jigger, you're going to fill it up, and then you're going to fill it guys are going to use the lemon juice first. The lemon juice, the lemonade. Yep, that one right there. So you're gonna fill a shot and a half. So the tall side of your jigger, you're gonna fill it up all the way, and then you're gonna do it again like halfway the second time.
So fill the top, the big one, with this.
Yep, tall side.
Another half?
And then another half.
1.5.
Right here, and you're gonna pour half of that inside. Does everybody have half that squeeze bottle inside? Yeah. What you're gonna do is you're gonna flip over to the shorter side of your jigger, and you're gonna do a full shot, but on the short side of your jigger of the Deodorant. You're supposed to use the short side.
Oh. No.
You guys have it in there? Cap up your shakers.
Oh, hey.
I don't think they put me like that.
About that time.
All right. DJ Rush, can I get some shaking music so you can shake?
My flight today. Back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call me. You're always going on.
My tie glasses and fill that bad boy up with ice. Grab your my tie glasses. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our cocktail, but leave a little room at the top. Grab their spoons, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your spoon and you're going to put it to the back side of your spoon, and you're going to kind of angle it on top, right on top of your drink. Don't dip it all the way in, but right on top, like just right on the top. So when you guys angle that spoon, don't have it all the way in. So what you want to do is
You feel like what? I mean, no, it's probably because I put 2 shots. You just don't have enough ice, honestly. Because you fill it up.
So now everyone knows how their spoon is going to be placed. That's your tall side of your jigger. You're going to do a full shot of Deodorant. We're going to do a full shot of Deodorant. Yes, we are. It's not called dark spoon.
So we're going to add the rest of it.
So fill up the top of your jigger. The tall side. The tall side of your jigger. You're going to fill it up with the Deodorant. How to angle your spoon. You're going to slowly pour the Deodorant on the top of the spoon. Deodorant is a more sweeter type of liqueur, so it's a little bit more dense than the actual drink itself. But we are not done yet because we have to drop in our ginger syrup. So everyone has a ginger syrup right in front of them. And you're going to pour that ginger syrup right on top. Don't use your phone and go online and find a recipe. You don't get disqualified because we looking, okay? You have 7 minutes to make your drinks. And the first place winner gets 2 tickets. Second place get 1 ticket. And the third place, we might think about giving you 20% off getting a ticket. Oh, that sounds good?
Yeah! Woo!
I heard y'all say, when I said third place gets 20% off. Nobody said, when I said first place gets 2 tickets. No?
Yeah! Woo!
Y'all ready to go home?
No!
Oh, back here. Back to mixology. So, yes, we are going to start right now. You have 7 minutes. Use everything up here, everything on your tables, and make it taste good. Look good. And then, your cups are up here. Don't use the ones on the table, just so. Yes. Teams of 2s. Teams of 2s. So grab you a cup, so 1 drink per